know we are not perfect in making videos yet, but at least we are trying our best. Kindly help us grow, so we can make our channel more perfect for you! It is Sunday reset time. My apartment looks like a tornado hit a glitter factory. First, we vacuum the rug. Satisfying lines only. No, not the sock. Time to clean the windows. Spray and wipe. My eyes. Fresh sheets are the best feeling. Help! I am trapped! Now for the clutter. I have a special system called Shove It in the Closet. And we are done! So peaceful! Don't look back, just smile.